1-year-old girl is brought to the physician with for well child examination. She has no history of serious illness. She receives a vaccine in which polysaccharide is conjugated to a carrier protein. Which of the following pathogen is most likely target of his vaccine? Okay, I said there are 3 bacteria. Vaccine is conjugated with protein: Haemophilus influenza, Neisseria meningitis, and strep pneumonia. X again. The vaccine of 3 bacteria: Haemophilus influenza, Neisseria meningitis, and strep pneumonia. Vaccines are conjugated to a protein to enhance the immunity, to activate B cell through T cell, to produce more antibodies against the bacteria. Excellent. The right option is choice E, strep pneumonia. Okay, Korean bacterium diphtheria. The vaccine is the toxin of this bacteria, Titanium, Clostridium tetani. This is not the right option here. Hepatitis A is a killed virus vaccine. Varicella zoster is a live attenuated virus vaccine. And Bordetella pertussis, this one is not also the right option. The right option is strep pneumonia. Again, the vaccine against 3 bacteria: strep pneumonia, Haemophilus influenza, and Neisseria meningitis, is conjugated with a carrier protein, usually the protein of diphtheria bacteria, to make for a robust activation of B cells and production of robust antibodies through T cell. Activation of B cell through T cell. Okay, but one thing that streptococcal pneumonia also has polysaccharide vaccine without conjugated protein. It's called PSV, I think PPSV23, something like that, and it's not given for children less than 2-year-old, and also for adults like more than 64 years old, because it's ineffective. Less than 2-year-old, also adult, more than 64-year-old, I think it's ineffective. Okay, but the conjugated one, the polysaccharide conjugate vaccine of the strep pneumonia, is called PSV13. That is more active, and it can be given in extremes of age, less than 2-year-old, also more than 64, in any age period you can give this vaccine.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.